Okay guys, so we are back to the cellar tonight. We're under a tornado watch. So we just thought we would get ahead of it. And this has been about 48 hours since the last time we were in here. So Joe got out most of the debris in quick prep. We'll be cleaning up the rest of this mess and painting the inside of this thing completely with, what's it called, Joe?
Drylock.
Drylock, that's right. So a few things for comfort. We've got a couple of folding chairs here. Just point at this, there you go. A couple of folding chairs here. We brought in a little table. We've got Bible and coffee. And over here we've got a bag full of water bottles, some snacks, some games for the kids. They're sitting here not on the floor. They're on a yoga mat. And then over here we've got our 3 little kitties. And in the corner is their litter box. So all of our most vital and important elements are here. And people in our family. And through this hole up here, we ran our solar lights, which work great. Usually we're hoping that they're charging a little bit today, and we're gonna see how that's gonna work. We've not really had any sun today, but we do tend to keep them outside and in the sun regularly, so they're actually pretty bright. So after it does get dark outside, if we lose our flashlight, we have that, as well as we have cell phones charged and ready for whatever might happen. So this one's been giving us some trouble. It's chargeable, but it keeps kind of flickering on us for some reason. So it's time to get a new flashlight. I got Chuck a new flashlight. But anyway, so again, if you're trying to throw together a quick cellar situation or closet or whatever, a couple of comfortable places. Everybody has a hoodie because the temperatures dropped on us a little bit ago. We've got this little table here for playing card games. We got up this morning and jumped right to preparing for today. So we brought our devotional book and our Bible down here. But I think it's always good to have one of those on hand. Like I said, we've got our little kitties here, a fresh litter box in the corner, strung up our lights. We went ahead and gave our kitties and our dog their calming pills so that they're a little bit more calm. But this is just a rough get us through tonight and the next couple days. We're hoping for some good weather this summer so that we can come in here and kind of make this a lot more comfortable. And then Chuck and I have talked about having a steel door welded for this area here. So Everybody say hi, girls.
Hi, girls.
Say hi, Shop Dog. He's having some snacks with the girls. Say hey, Chuck. Oh, goodness. All right, guys. We'll check in after it's over. Bye. Getting ready to play Uno. The storm is just over the top of us, starting. We decided to bring a hurricane lamp over here and have it in the back corner so that nobody bumps it. That's helping with a little bit of light since we're going to play some Uno. Now, since we're going to play some Uno, we decided to light it up on this end. And the solar hasn't kicked on yet because we still have some daylight outside. The Shop Dog is sound asleep. And our kitties are doing great. Animals are wonderful. Did our devotions, had some snacks, and now we are going to play Uno. Good job. Chuck, what did you do?
I have created more light.
More light. You guys can't see it. It's not coming out in the video. But that's a water bottle sitting on top of the flashlight, which has actually amplified the light in here a lot. So that's how we roll with Who to Thunk It.
Weird science.
By about 6:45, we were in the clear. You can see we got quite a bit of rain, but we were good to go. And God had come through again, kept us safe. However, we'll be back in there probably Wednesday night. So keep us in your prayers, guys, as we will keep you in ours. And catch you in the next one. Bye.